Hello guys, so if you're looking to blend two images in Midjourney, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly open your Discord where you have your Midjourney. Now, as you can see, I already have few images over here that I will blend. So firstly, to blend images, what you have to do is just simply click on the chat box over here and type / and then blend. Then click over here. Now you will have two options, image 1, image 2, and you can add up to 4 more, as you can see right over here. Now let's try it first on just 2 images. So let's add images. So for doing that, just simply click on this drop box over here, then choose your image, then choose the other image. Now just simply hit enter. Now it is going to blend these two images, so wait for it. Now as you can see, it gave us a blend which is pretty similar to the same image that we just fed him. Now let's try something more different. So again, click on the chat box, type in / blend, and this time we are going to enter a samurai and a torii. Then hit enter. Now again, wait for it to blend. So as you can see, it merged the images perfectly, as you can see right over here. So there are few missed details over here. So you can redo this and get a perfect version by click on the redo option over here and just simply recreate the image from scratch again. So as you can see, a new set of image has been generated. So open in browser to check that. And as you can see, this is a much better version of that image that we just got. Now let's add multiple images. So for doing that, let's create a landscape as a background for the entire image. So for that, I'm going to create a landscape from, let's say, cyberpunk lifestyle. So for this one, I'm going to create a cyberpunk landscape type of scenery. So I will just simply get that. So after that, just simply hit enter and now wait for it to generate. So as you can see, it gave us a pretty good result. Now we are going to choose this image. So the version 2 looks good. So just simply click U2, which is upscale to, meaning it will enlarge the second image over here. So choose that if you want to, then wait for it to generate. Now when it is generated, just simply open the image, open in browser, then just simply download the image. Now all you have to do is just simply blend all of the images that you can see on over here together. So for doing that, again / blend the first image, the second image. Now to add more, just simply click over here, right where it says +4 more, click over here and you will find image 3, or you can just simply write / image 3. So you can just simply choose image 3 over here, or just simply write over here image 3, then hit enter and the prompt should appear. So over here, choose the image. Do this for all 5 of them. So just simply click over here, choose image 4, add the 4th image, and over here click 5, and you can also add the last image. Now you can add even dimensions if you want to. So we are going to choose a dimension as well. So click on that and let's get a landscape. Now all you have to do is just simply hit enter. Now just simply wait for all of the images to blend together and make something. So wait for it. So as you can see, the image has been generated. So click on it and open in browser to look nicely. So as you can see, the image came pretty nice. Now I don't know where the samurai went. So you have to experiment with the images and multiple styles of the images. So for now, that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.